If you're getting no sound from your Bose TV speaker that's connected to your TV via HDMI, then I'll show you what you can do when you're not getting any sound and fix any other Bose soundbar issues in just a few minutes. First, ensure that your soundbar is not in Bluetooth mode. You can just point your Bose soundbar's remote and press on the monitor button, which is HDMI source. And as you can see, it has now switched to HDMI. We'll also do the same thing on our TV. You need to go to your TV's sound output settings, which usually looks like this. And when you select it, make sure that it's switched to HDMI. It can say HDMI ARC or eARC, all of which is the same. And after switching both the outputs, your no sound issue should be fixed. If you're still not getting any sound, then ensure that you have plugged in the HDMI cable on your TV's HDMI out port. A lot of people make this mistake where they put in the cable into the HDMI in port. If you do this, you'll get no sound. So make sure to put in the cable into a port that says HDMI out, ARC or eARC on them. If you already had it plugged in into HDMI out, but you're still not getting any sound, then it may be the cable that's causing this problem. So you can try switching to a different cable and see if that works. Sometimes you may have just forgotten to turn the volume all the way up, and your TV remote's volume up button may not work sometimes. So I want you to grab your Bose speaker's remote and then turn up the volume using this remote. If you're still having sound issues, then you can easily reset your soundbar, which can fix this. For that, we need to unplug our soundbar from electricity. You can also unplug your TV at the same time. Then after waiting for a couple of minutes, plug them back in, and your soundbar should play sound without any issues. If you're having sound problem with a specific app, it's always recommended to check a different app and see if that app can play sound. For example, if you're not getting any sound through Apple TV, then try switching to YouTube and see if you can listen to music. If you still can't hear any music through your Bose soundbar, then this may be a more serious issue and you should get in touch with Bose customer support. Let us know how it went down below and I'll see you later.